controller.
Yeah. Nice work, man.
Appreciate it.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Nice. Hey, how you doing, man? Is there a way to put windows up real quick for info?
Gotcha. A little loud.
Yeah. This looks good. Did you build this?
Yep.
Nice job. Wow. So, what's your name and what's in here, man? Anything you want to say?
My name's Matt. I got 4 12-inch Harmony Audio monoliths running on a Wolfram 9K. I got 4 8-inch Harmony Audio mids and 4 6.5 mids with Harmony Audio. I just recently added some DS18 tweeters because the other tweeters I had wasn't holding up.
Yes, sir.
It's in a 2.7 to 1/4 order, tuned around 42 hertz.
Okay. Nice. What are these subwoofers rated at RMS wise?
1500.
1500? Okay. Have you done any kind of SPL or clamp test on them yet?
Yeah, I did a show a couple months back, and I did like a 53.1 seal and a 56.5 in the kick.
Nice. That's pretty good.
It's not bad for my second attempt at a 4th order.
Yes, sir. I like that you added extra fab work right here to get your seat room too.
Yeah, I couldn't sacrifice my seat room. I like to sit comfortably. I've known too many people sitting in the dash.
Yes, sir.
I'm not doing that, so
yes, sir.
I seen EXO did a little fiberglass, and I said, I can do that.
You could do that. Yep. Yes, sir.
So,
have you had any windshield issues or any roof work?
No, it's got like 3 layers of deadener and then a layer of 157 mil foam.
Okay.
And then I boarded over it because I wasn't about to pull all that down to get the wood straight to the metal. So
yes, sir.
That's what I went with. And
nice.
Basically, that box is beat into place, and then it's double layer birch, and then the whole box is layered with 2x4s as well on the inside.
So you built it in the vehicle?
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's piece by piece.
All right. That's the way to do the optimal space, though. You did good. Do you know your sealed section size at all?
It's 0.85 cubes per sub.
Okay. And your peak frequency or tuning, you know that?
When I metered, I was peaking 38 sealed and 41 in the kick when I was with this door open.
All right.
So
I'm excited to hear it. Looks good, man. Appreciate all the info. Yes, sir.
I guess if you need to know, I got a excessive amperage 320 alt, deleted battery, 45 AH of C-Max lithium.
Okay. I'll go look at that.
Which is pretty well hidden, but limited on space.
Yep.
Sometimes it doesn't play quite as low as I like, but I think I get down around 28 up to about 50. So
that's pretty good bandwidth, though.
Not too bad. Glad finally got to catch you.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm gonna go look at the back and check everything else out.
That tweeter, I lost one of my amps and dropped the channel, so running that temporary. I was hoping this would show up in the mail yesterday, but it's coming today, so it's a little late.
I like you got a little beauty panel hidden here, so your wiring's behind this actual baffle.
Yeah, I can't stand seeing all the wires.
It looks good. You did a good job.
I got cooling fans here on the controller.
Yeah. Nice work, man.
Appreciate it.
window up or down?
You can put it down if you want.
Okay.
Never pick up my eyes. Stop cause around my neck. Tell me that I'm blind. Don't fall in love. Girl, you better fall in line. Don't call my line. Don't waste my time. I swear to God, I'm never coming back. I become a friend. You're the knife in my back. You ain't gotta act like you're dead or not. We pop a couple pills and the roses turn black.
Sometimes it doesn't play quite as low as I'd like, but I think I get down around 28 up to about 50.
That's pretty good bandwidth, huh?
Not too
bad.
No.
Thanks for the demo, man. What was your name?
Matt.
Matt. Nice to meet you. Thanks for watching also, Matt.
Finally got to catch you.
Yeah, man. Yeah.